Hey guys, what's going on? Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist, and I want to celebrate the achievement of someone in the total knee replacement support group. Now, to maintain your privacy, I'm not going to share your name or information, but first, I want to say thank you for taking the time to write this post. This is such a great post, such an inspiration. And as much as I appreciate hearing all the challenges and the frustrations and the difficulties that other people go through, it's also amazing to hear stories from real people who have been through the experience. So I want to read this on my YouTube channel. That's why I've got it up here. And I want to say thank you for taking the time to share your story. So this is a post that was shared yesterday, and it starts out by saying, "Today marks 364 days since I had my knee replacement. I'm 57 years old." So first, kudos to you for getting it done. The year in review. Number one, best decision I made as I gained my life back. I mean, that's why we do it, right? To get the life back. I'm sorry, I'll stop interrupting. First 3 weeks, I thought I would die, and I made the most awful decision by having the surgery. Started physio before surgery, 3 weeks before. Was in hospital for 4 days as I kept fainting, crashing blood pressure. Started post-op physio on day 7 and went 2 days a week for 8 weeks. Do your exercises 4 to 5 times a day, every day. Went back to work 18 days post-op. I have a desk job, but worked half days for the first week as I was exhausted. Golfed for the first full round on day 71, walked all 18 holes. I felt my knee for about 7 to 8 months before I wasn't thinking about it all the time. It gets tired before my other leg, but no pain at all. I still need to be careful, but I don't, but I do not do something because of my knee. The ice machine is your best friend. Use it every hour of the day for at least the first 4 to 5 weeks. Then go down to several times a day. Keep the swelling down or away. The outside of my knee is still numb. Doctor says it may stay that way. No big deal. This is not surgery for the weak. You got to be tough to take on this adventure, but we were made to do hard things. Be encouraged. I remember reading every post during the first weeks and thinking, you're all lying to me that it will get better, but it does. Be encouraged. This too shall pass in the days and months to come. It will be you writing this post saying, quote, "You got this," as you celebrate your 1 year anniversary of having your new knee. You got this. P.S. So grateful for this community of strangers, but oh, such kindred spirits of knee warriors. And I really think that it's just so important that we don't know what tomorrow will hold. Yes, many of you have pointed out I have not had a knee replacement, but I've been fortunate to be part of the experience for hundreds of people who have. And as an outside observer looking in, I've seen stories cover the spectrum from amazing triumph to incredibly frustrating. But that being said, those of you who have had success, those of you who have gotten your life back, have been able to do the things that you wanted to do and fulfilled the reason for having the knee replacement in the first place. I applaud you and I appreciate you sharing these stories. For those individuals that have not gone down this road and are looking to this in the future, thank you so much for sharing. And anyone else who cares to share, feel free to join the Total Knee Replacement Support Group for Kind People on Facebook, or just leave a comment below this video so that you can help inspire other individuals who are facing the path that you've already gone down. Thank you again, and I'll see you on the next video.